Hi everybody, hope you're well. You guys are here for my spring summer mood board, and I made this mood board based on the Dign Your Wardrobe workshop that is given by Seamwork. I am a Seamwork ambassador. That means I enjoy several perks, and one of them is a free unlimited yearly subscription. Other than that, the workshop comes by twice a year, once for spring summer and the other time is for fall winter. But the mood board is this time around a little more sentimental, and so the name of my mood board is Stages of Growth. I wanted the clothes to represent the growth that I want to experience, so the changes that I want to make and the growth that I desire. And so I'm trying that by applying and learning new technique and also tackling projects that are intimidating to me but will ultimately push me completely out of my comfort zone. The mood board, the color palette is green, and I have 4 pieces because I didn't want to be overwhelmed, since this is a growth within as well as a growth expression, let's say outward expression. So I chose a blazer, which is the most intimidating project. I have a culotte pants that I made before. Both of them are from Burdastyle. I have 2 other things, which is the bodysuit that I made previously that was also part of my fall winter mood board, as well as a pencil skirt, or at least a pleather mini skirt. That's what it ultimately came out. I finished 2 of them. I finished the bodysuit as well as the mini skirt. I wanted to get into the fabrics that I chose. I have this fabric that I chose for the bodysuit. It is a ribbed jersey, 95% cotton, 5% elastane. In this, it's called old green, or at least that's how they describe it. I have this pleather, let's see if you can see, yeah, this pleather green, and it's also described as old green. I have, okay, so this one is for the bodysuit, this is for the skirt. I have this micro rib corduroy. This one is for the culotte, and it's also some type of green. And then the centerpiece is this fabric right here, which you guys have seen before, that I bought last year for I think the video is called I got a gift card and I spent all of it. This is a canvas fabric. I bought it at Textile Stud, and let's see, I bought 2 meters. And I bought these 2 at Textile Stud. This one was $9.95, I believe, and this one was $7.95 per meter. And then I bought this one, which was, I believe, $11.95 at Night Plaisir. And I bought this one for $6.95 at Drize. I have all of the notions. And for the blazer, I have lining, green. I have green lining, and I bought these button makers that I'm going to use this fabric to create the buttons. So I just wanted completely this. And so the next video is going to be the bodysuit. I have to tell you something about that. And then the mini skirt, maybe they'll go in the same video. And I still have to sew the culotte pants. That one I have for June, but it's cut out, it is traced with thread, it's ready to go. And then I have the blazer for July, because I wanted to tackle 1 piece each month. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day.